Hello everyone, today we're diving into the perfect 30th birthday gift for the special women in your life, a beautifully curated gift box designed to impress and spoil her on her big day. This delightful set includes a 12 ounces insulated stainless steel wine tumbler, an exquisite bracelet, a chic makeup bag, cozy fuzzy socks, a rose gold mirror, a soothing soy wax flower scented candle, a practical keychain, a 3D pop-up greeting card for your personal message, all elegantly packaged in a stunning gift box. Imagine her surprise and joy as she unwraps each thoughtfully chosen item, from the sleep-promoting candle to the stylish tumbler for her morning coffee or afternoon drink. Awfrky has carefully selected each piece to ensure it's both stylish and functional, making it the highlight of her 30th birthday celebration. Whether she's your mom, best friend, coworker, or sister, this gift set is a meaningful way to show her she's special and loved. If you're struggling to find the perfect gift or can't be there in person, this ready-to-gift set is the ideal solution to make her feel cherished and appreciated. Remember, a great day starts with thoughtful gifts, so make her 30th birthday unforgettable with this exceptional gift box. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.